Alrighty, we're back with another video. This is to help out a friend. They had a question about my automation, how it works. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. These are very important into your system. These are the brains. This is the crafting storage. I have about 4 of these set up. And these are just fillers. The crafting units, they're just fillers. And then you're gonna need a bunch of these, the CPUs pretty much. This is telling this what it needs to do. So this just stores as much memory as it can. So I'm using 256K worth of crafting storage. Times that by 4. But I have 2 of those blocks set up. So, and you can tell that I have 2 systems set up. It tells you right there. So you can tell one system to do a certain task, and then you can tell another system to do another task. And you also have these pattern providers with the molecular assemblers. I have all these set up just in case it has a big project to do. It'll do it very quickly. And I recommend using these extended pattern providers just because you can hold up more patterns. These can hold up to just one row. This is like 4 times a. Okay. And how my automation works, I'm going to show you here. I'm going to go into my system. These guys, we're going here actually. I have all these set up, the requesters. The ME requesters are just pretty much the player, you, telling the input how much you want into your system, how many items you want at any given moment. So for me, I have these ingots that are actually growing in my farm with mythical agriculture. So what I'm telling my system that I want 1,000 of the ingots to be at stock at any given time, and 500 for those because those are hardly in use. But I'm about to up it because we're going to be working on the star. Hello, little guy. But yeah, this is just telling the system that you want how many to be stocked at any given time. And then what you want to tell the system is how to make it. So you're going to go into your pattern encoding terminal. It's pretty much this guy. Well, actually, I lied. Let's go here, pattern encoding terminal. And then you're going to find a recipe. But with my farm, how it's made up, the recipe is going to be converting the essence into the actual ingots. So we're going to look up essence, actually ingots. The netherite is going to be our example here. So you're just going to be in this menu here, pattern encoding, and then all you have to do is just click on the recipe. Here's the essence. This is what you want, unless you have all these, but I recommend doing this if you're doing mythical agriculture. So you just click on the pattern, and also you got to make sure you have a pattern processing pattern. Let me just clear this one out. Okay, now that's clear it. Now it's a blank one. Now we're gonna go back here and click add pattern. And to add the pattern, all you just click the arrow, and now you have the pattern that you need for your system to know how to build those items. And then from there, you're gonna want to go into this is the pattern extended pattern terminal. You can use this one or you can use the other one. There's 2 of them. So I'm using the extended pattern terminal. All you gotta do is insert it into your molecular assembler. So I already have one here, and it tells, I like this one because it tells you the location of it. You just gotta click it, and then it tells you your the location. You can go find it. But ours is all the way in the top, so it's easy to find. All you gotta do is set it and forget it, because your system is telling it that you're gonna need that many ingots at any given time. So see, I have 1,000 exactly. And sometimes if you run out and you want more, all you gotta do is middle mouse click. As long as you have that plus button, that means you have the pattern that you created in the system already. You just middle mouse click and you just ask it to add more, however more you want. So now, and this is just creating the alloys, but it's taking a while because I need a lot of power, and that's what I'm currently working on. More power. See, I'm lacking on power. It's just using as much power I can give it. And these guys are just cheering me on. But anyways, I hope I answered any of your question about the automation part. But if you have any more questions, just leave a comment. Let me know. Thanks for watching.